Hello and welcome back to a new episode of A Million Bucks Style. In this series, I'm sharing everything I learned over the past few weeks about traveling efficiently. We just got back from a 2-week holiday in the sunny and green south of India, and my husband challenged me to carry everything in a carry-on only. I love challenges and immediately jumped on the opportunity. In this video, I shall reveal some tricks and tips I followed to pack items I needed for a 2-week trip in an international carry-on, and how you can gain reference and learn from my experience for your upcoming holiday. Traveling light and efficiently requires careful planning and organization. So let's jump right into the first phase, which is the planning phase. First and foremost, before you start planning what you want to carry, check the destination's weather forecast. Be mindful of the weather at your destination and pack accordingly. This can help you avoid unnecessary items and focus on the essentials only. Next, make a list of all the activities you'll do. I like to create a rough itinerary in order to understand my outfit requirements better. This helps me keep aside items I'll need, including clothing, toiletries, shoes, and other essentials. This will also help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Learn what the locals dress like and any other regional norms to follow. Not only does it help you blend with the locals, it can go a long way in making connections and navigating unfamiliar situations. I knew I had to dress modestly and hence opted for cotton quad sets for this trip. Select clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. I always carry a black and white classic t-shirt and make sure you try everything before you pack them. Stick to a color palette that complements each other, making it easier to create different looks with fewer pieces. Shoes can take up a lot of space, so aim to bring pairs that you see yourself wearing often and pack them in dedicated felt bags. I carried a pair of sneakers which I wore on the flight, a pair of Birkenstocks for the beach, tan flats that matched all my outfits, and an acrylic strap heel for special occasions. Whether you like to roll your clothes or neatly fold them, the choice is yours. I like to use a combination of both. This helps me save space and also prevents wrinkles. It also makes it easier to see all your items at once. If you're bringing bulky items like a jacket or sneakers, wear them while traveling to save space in your luggage. We were transitioning from 10 degrees cold weather in Delhi to a comfortable 24 degrees Bangalore weather, so I carried my Uniqlo ultra warm down jacket that can be folded into a tiny pouch and also occupies very little space. Transfer toiletries into travel size containers to save space. You can also buy travel size versions of your favorite products. I had recently received a PR package from Foxtail that had all my skincare essentials in travel size packaging, so ended up carrying them with me. Alternatively, you can also buy travel size packaging and transfer your favorite skincare into these mini containers. Do remember, in order to carry your toiletries in the cabin luggage, you must make sure the packaging is under 100 ml or less. You can also place your toiletries in Ziploc bags to prevent leaks and make security checks a breeze. Utilize pockets and any empty spaces in your bag efficiently. Put all your undergarments in a cloth bag and add silica pouch in them to keep them fresh and wick any moisture. I even managed to carry a black leather tote in my carry-on to save space and used it when I reached my destination. Bring an empty reusable water bottle through airport security and fill it up afterwards to stay hydrated without buying plastic bottled water, like these insulated stainless steel bottles from Decathlon. Not only is this something we always carry with us, it also helps us stay environmentally conscious during the trip. A small portable steamer can help remove wrinkles from your clothes without the need for an iron. I love this technique and have been using the one from Philips, which comes in very handy when I'm traveling. Keep your jewelry organized and tangle-free by using a jewelry organizer to store small items like earrings and rings. I like the one from SoFetch, which not only helps organize my jewelry, but also has a small cute mirror for last-minute touch-ups. Carry only the essentials in a slim travel wallet, leaving unnecessary items at home. I like to transfer my cards into a small card case that can also keep a little bit of cash. It occupies less space and I don't end up keeping useless papers and receipts in my wallet. I don't like to wear too much makeup on my holidays, so I carry only basics like a BB cream, a compact, a kajal, my favorite lipstick, a cheek tint, a mascara, and a travel size perfume bottle. I pack them all in a small pouch which I can easily throw in my backpack along with my sunglasses and some medicines. Pack with the expectations of bringing back souvenirs. Leave some space in your luggage or consider bringing a foldable bag for extra storage. These lesser-known tricks can enhance your travel experience and make your packing more efficient. And there you have it. This was a complete guide to packing efficiently for a 2-week adventure coupled with some lesser-known travel hacks. Before I let you go, here is a glimpse of everything I wore on this trip. I shall share a detailed itinerary with everything that we did on this trip along with stays and some costing in my next video, so stay tuned. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!